Folks, we're coming to segment 6. This is when you're setting the minimum cut. This is critical. You want to make sure that you know, no matter what you're cutting at all times, whether the operator is actually rotating clockwise the blade down to cut more or counterclockwise to cut less. When you leave this in the min cut position, you know that you're always cutting that. What's that min cut position that we recommend? We recommend 0.03 of an inch or 1/32. How do you go about doing that? After you've set your level cut, now you have full RPM, you have your augers on, and you're driving roughly in a figure eight. That's what I recommend. And you're bringing your blade down. What you want to create is you want to be able to see on the left side your runner line. You want to see a gap of about 8 inches where you're not cutting. You want to see roughly about 57 to 60 inches of a milky look in the middle of the conditioner and behind you. And on the right side, you want to see the right runner line and an 8-inch gap where you're not cutting. When you've achieved that, no matter where the handle is on the hand crank, could be at 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, that there, by creating that, you've created min cut, which is 1/32 or 0.03 of an inch. That is what you want to cut minimum at all times. So it can relate to the type of user group that's on the ice, being tykes all the way up to beer league or junior. You know that if you're rotating your hand crank one complete 360, you're cutting 0.03 plus an additional 0.02. You'd be cutting 0.05. Turn the hand crank twice, rotating at 360, bringing the blade down. Now you're actually cutting your min cut of 0.03. Now 0.04, you're cutting 0.07. To relate that to the worst case scenario rut of 1/8 of an inch, which is 0.12, you're cutting at least half of that rut out and utilizing the rest of the system with your used snow, your wash water, and creating slush with your squeegee, filling the rest of the rut in, and then finishing it off with your flood water. Folks, confirming and setting the min cut is critical. Again, 0.03, 1/32 of an inch. That's what you want to be cutting at all times. Have a great day.